So last week, I was wondering why is it that one part of our body influences the other? I mean, how is that even possible? If the teeth hurt, it could affect the brain. I mean, you could have a headache, and if you dash your foot against a stone, the heart could race. I mean, how does all those things happen? Well, that's what today's video is all about. Today we are looking at how organs of the body depends on each other and how they adapt to the environment, internal or external. But most importantly, how they adapt to external environments. I am Zio, and this is Health Curiosity. If this is your first time seeing this video, what we do here is health and science. If the body was just a collection of random parts, just random organs and everything, then one part of the organ shouldn't be affecting the other. On the contrary, what we want to look into today is the invisible glue that makes one part of the body, especially the organs, to affect the other. So, think of the human body as a restaurant. You have a doorman, you have the people in the kitchen, I mean, the chef, you have the waiter take your order, all those kind of stuff. The same way we have it in human body, the respiratory system, where oxygen is an important and essential element that is needed for us to keep breathing and keep living. The respiratory system is in charge of taking that oxygen, it transports it to wherever it needs to go, gets to the heart, red blood cells, and all those things come up like that. And you have this circulatory system that helps pass all this oxygen around to the same way we have it in a restaurant, where each of all those people, the doorman, the ushers, the waiter, all depend on each other, for the food to serve. That's the same way we have it, in the human body too. That one organ depend on the other, and the other one depend on the other, just for a certain task or maybe function, to be executed. So a deeper example is even the other system in the body, the nervous system, the heart, the endocrine system. Yeah, those are the broadcast, emergency broadcast system. So you have it that your nerves, or let me just say your sensor, your pain receptors, you know, receive a signal from anywhere. Let's say, for example, you hit or you stop your foot, and that signal sends a signal to the emergency broadcast system, where adrenaline is being secreted into the blood, and the brain sees that and it tells the heart that, okay, I'm receiving a shock wave, I'm receiving a signal, and I need you to do more work. I need you to pump more blood. And the heart start pumping blood, and that is how we could see that you can dash your foot against a stone, and all of a sudden, your heart you start pumping in that way, and that's just it. I mean, those systems depends on each other. But why does it even happen? Why does it necessarily have to happen that you send signal to the brain, this organ to survive, or maybe to do its work and all those things? And that is because no organ is an island in the human body. The human body is seen as a system that works together as one, not not just collection of random parts. Yeah. Why the human body is one system? I mean, synergy of subsystem. The body still takes care of itself. I mean, if the body is down, if it's this, if there is a reaction from the environment, the body adapts. It's maintain internal equilibrium. And I mean, in my own time, I could call it the police that stand at the center of all organs in the body, and that is called the homeostasis. Yes, homeostasis. And that is our next topic, bruv. That's our next topic. So I'm Zio. Stay curious. Please like, subscribe. Yeah, stay curious again. I'll see you in the next one.